Few household problems are as frustrating as a clogged kitchen sink, disrupting daily chores and leaving an unpleasant standing water mess. Lingering water in a sink can lead to unpleasant odors, while the stagnant water can be a breeding ground for bacteria. The water overflow can cause damage to your kitchen fixtures, not to mention the hindrance it causes to your normal kitchen routines. But fear not, dear viewers, for there are quick, cheap and efficient ways to unclog your kitchen sink using items readily available in your home. First up, the simplest method, using boiling water. You'll find this technique as straightforward as making a cup of tea. Start by boiling a kettle full of water. Once it's bubbling hot, you're ready to tackle that pesky clog. Now here's the key. Don't just dump all the water down the sink at once. Instead, pour it gradually in stages. This gives the heat a chance to work its magic, breaking down the clog bit by bit. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. There's no need for expensive tools or chemicals. The cost is minimal, essentially just the energy needed to boil water. And it's fast too, taking no more than a few minutes. But remember, this method is most effective for minor clogs, particularly those caused by grease or soap buildup. While this method is quick and cost-effective, it may not work for more stubborn clogs. For those, we have another trick up our sleeve. For those pesky, stubborn clogs, we recommend the baking soda and vinegar method. This tried and true method is both cost-effective and efficient, helping you to unclog your sink without breaking the bank or spending hours on end. So how does it work, you might ask? Well, it's all about the fizz. First, you'll need to pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain. This common household item is a powerful cleaning agent, and it's going to be our first line of defense against the clog. Just make sure to get it all down there, right where the trouble is brewing. Next, follow up with half a cup of white vinegar. You'll immediately see the mixture start to fizz and bubble. That's the reaction we're looking for. The fizzing action helps to break up the gunk that's causing the clog. Now cover the drain and let it sit. We recommend a wait time of about 15 to 30 minutes. This gives the baking soda and vinegar ample time to work their magic. It's a bit like a mini science experiment happening right in your kitchen sink. After the waiting period, flush the drain with hot water. This final step helps to wash away the loosened debris, leaving your drain clean and clear. So whether it's a minor or a major clog, you now have two cost-effective and efficient methods to try before calling in professional help. Remember, a clogged kitchen sink is a common problem, but not one without solutions. With boiling water or a simple baking soda and vinegar mix, you can swiftly and economically clear your pipes. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy household tips and tricks. Keep your home running smoothly and your wallet happy.